What's up, Kinks, NappyFu? All up on your screen, coming at you with a Napchat video. I am starting a new series where I address simple natural hair questions that I've had at one point in time in my natural hair journey, or that I get from y'all, or that I see around in the internets. I'm just going to offer my opinion, my answer. Some is based off of facts, and some is just based off of experiment. Before I begin, I strongly encourage anyone that is dealing with any scalp issues, whether it's extreme itchiness, soreness, you have bumps on your scalp, you're noticing some white flaky stuff, most times known as dandruff and so on, please go and see a dermatologist. Our scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. That's what ties into what goes on the inside of our body. So if you know you are having scalp issues that's just not normal, and you know what that looks like for you, okay? Go and see a dermatologist so they can assess your scalp and give you the proper treatment that you need, okay? All right, let's go. First question I used to always have, and I actually do receive quite a bit, is cleansing. Should you wash your scalp one time or two times or three times? How many times should you cleanse your scalp? Well, the answer, in my opinion, based on my experience, is no less than two times. If you hit it with the one, you're going to probably feel it a little bit later on. And I don't think it necessarily matters how much product you use, whether you are a heavy product user or just a moderate product user. Cleansing your scalp two times is a safe bet to go as far as making sure that scalp is on clean, is making sure that scalp is back to a clean foundation. So, a more evidence based response, if you will, is well, it depends. It really depends on how much buildup you have, how much product is sitting on your scalp, how much sebum is all up on that scalp, how much environmental pollution, how much gel, mousse, whatever it might be, is on that scalp, how much sweat, dried up sweat is all on the scalp, grease, oil, and so on is on your scalp. If you are one who washes their hair every day, you most likely are a candidate for not having to double cleanse. You wash your hair every day. The only type of natural I can think of that will wash their hair every day are the ones with TWA, because your hair is so short. Miles will take advantage of it at that stage. I get it. And most TWAs who wash their hair every day are not actually shampooing every single day. They're co-washing every day, right? Now, I'm only talking to those who actually use a co-wash, not using a rinse out conditioner as a co-washing. I'm talking about using a co-washing product labeled as and formulated to be a co-washer, okay? These individuals can wash their hair every day, especially at that length, and just basically stay with a clean scalp all the time. And since you're co-washing, you probably do not experience a dried out scalp as you would if you shampooed every single day. Now, I will say I've come across some YouTube channels of YouTubers with short hair and medium length hair. They actually wash their hair every single day with shampoo. I'm like, oh, girl, I don't know how you do that, but okay. But typically, most of us, we don't wash our hair every day. And most of us wash our hair once a week, once every other week, once a month, maybe once every 2 to 3 months or so. We are candidates for double cleansing method. Yes, washing your scalp 2 times. Just like us who wash our face 2 times, our face is skin. Guess what? Our scalp is the same skin. I know y'all know that already, but in case you didn't, boom, there you go. So if you're gonna double cleanse your face, why are you not double cleansing your scalp as well? I don't know about y'all, but when I have a face full of makeup, I come in with a oil-based cleanser, and then I follow up with a I guess you could say a sulfate-based cleanser, something that suds up and we get the rest of the, makeup or whatever or face dirt or whatever off. Okay, so for my scalp, I'm going to do the same concept. I'm going to use something that will break up the buildup first, and then something that will get the rest of it out later on. So for me, better yet, I start with a cleanser. I typically start with a cleanser that will break up my dirt quite a bit. So yes, I am a black soap user. I don't mind using a shampoo that might have sulfates in it. Yes, I said it, girl. Sulfates, okay? I know what they're supposed to do, and I let them do what they do, and I'm okay with. You know what I'm saying? And then I will follow up with a moisturizing shampoo or a moisturizing cleanser. Now, some of y'all that have been rocking with me for a minute, you know I also do Ayurvedic. So that's a little bit different. My Ayurvedic wash days are different. I'm using clays. Totally different concept. But nonetheless, you have your detoxifier. And with that one, you normally can just get away with doing it one time because it's just that good. But we're talking about shampoos. Just focus on that. I don't want to throw no confusion into here, okay? But yeah, just washing your hair 2 times, at least 2 times, is the best way to go. Because at the end of the day, I'd rather you do it 2 times than once, and your wash day is over. And next thing you know, you scratching your scalp and it's itching, and you asking yourself, "Did I not just do wash day? I could have swore I just washed my scalp. What is going on here?" 2 times get the job done. Um, I've come across some YouTubers or just naturals. Let me not just say YouTubers. Some naturals who wash their hair 3 times. I'm like, girl, I don't know about that life. But have I ever washed my scalp 3 times? I don't think I have. I almost feel like if I have to wash it 3 times, I might be side eyeing the cleanser. Like, why I gotta hit you with 3 times? I don't understand. But anywho, back to what we're talking about. So yes, it is best to cleanse your scalp at least 2 times, double cleansing method, to make sure all buildup, whether it's from product, sweat, sebum, environmental, that has been accumulated on your scalp for however long you go between wash day, is broken and removed completely off of your scalp, allowing your scalp to breathe and to regenerate. So keep that in mind. When you want to wash your hair, when you want to wash your scalp, don't do it any less than 2 times, but I'll say no more than 3 times if you must. Okay. All right, so this is the first of many more videos to come with this simple hair care questions series. I need to think of a shorter and cuter name, don't I? Any suggestions? Let me know in the comment box below. I basically want this series to address simple questions. That's all. Whether it's hair care or anything else, I will give a response of mine that's based on just simply my opinion, my experience, or evidence-based response as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below, and I will try my hardest to get into a video. With that being said, I am adding another day to my posting schedule. These kind of videos will come during the week. I'm still keeping my Sunday fun day. I know that's my main posting day, but now I'm at a place where I want to add in one more day of posting content. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get involved by putting your questions in the comment box below and also interacting with me in the comment box below. Okay. So in true fashion, I do have a Napchat question. Do you cleanse your scalp once, twice, or more than that? Let us know in the comment box below and let us know why. All right. So with that being said, see y'all on Sunday. Until then, remember y'all, in order to have healthy mind, body, soul, spirit, everything, you got to do healthy things consistently, even if you think nobody's watching. Okay. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.